Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Forms to your Shopify store. This is incredibly useful if you want to collect customer feedback, run surveys, or gather information directly on your storefront without redirecting visitors to external pages. First, open your browser and head over to docs.google.com/forms. This is where you'll access all your Google Forms. Once you're there, locate the form you want to embed on your Shopify store and open it. Now look at the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Embed HTML. This is the key step that generates the code you'll need to place your form directly into your Shopify theme. After clicking Embed HTML, you'll see a box appear with a chunk of code inside. This is your embed code. Go ahead and click the copy button to save this code to your clipboard. Make sure you've copied the entire code, as missing even a small piece can prevent your form from displaying correctly on your site. Now it's time to switch over to your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin panel and on the left side menu, click on Online Store. This section controls the look and functionality of your storefront. You'll see your current theme displayed with a preview. Right beside the theme preview, click the button that says Customize or Edit Theme. This will take you into the theme editor where you can make changes to your store's layout and design. Once you're inside the theme editor, look at the left side panel where you'll find various sections of your page. Click on Add Section. A list of available sections will pop up. From this list, select Custom Liquid. The Custom Liquid section is perfect for adding custom code like your Google Form embed, as it allows you to insert HTML directly into your theme without affecting other parts of your design. After adding the Custom Liquid section, you'll notice a new panel appears on the right side of your screen. Within this panel, there's a field labeled Liquid Code. This is where you'll paste the embed code you copied earlier from Google Forms. Click inside the Liquid Code field and paste your code there. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly and that there are no extra spaces or missing characters. Finally, once your code is in place, look at the upper right corner of the theme editor and click the Save button. This action saves all your changes and publishes the Google Form on your Shopify store. Your form should now be live and visible to customers visiting your site, allowing them to fill it out directly without leaving your storefront. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded a Google Form into your Shopify store. This integration helps you gather valuable information while keeping users engaged on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.